Long hairs need special care. Here are 10 ways to care for long hair in the summer seasons. Embrace wide-toothed combs. Gently detangle hair without causing breakage. Shield your tresses from UV rays. Apply a protective hair serum, or wear a hat to prevent sun damage, dryness and fading. Deep conditioning treatments. Nourish and restore moisture by indulging in regular deep conditioning sessions for luscious, soft hair. Trim split ends regularly. Keep your hair healthy and avoid further damage by trimming split ends every few weeks. Opt for gentle shampooing. Use mild, sulfate-free shampoos to cleanse without stripping away natural oils. Tie hair loosely. Minimize tangling and prevent excessive exposure to the sun and harsh elements by securing your hair gently. Limit heat styling. Embrace natural hairstyles to protect your locks from heat-related damage. Protect your hair in chlorinated. Rinse your hair with fresh water before swimming and use a leave-in conditioner to shield it. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water keeps your body and hair hydrated, preventing dryness and promoting overall hair health. Eat a balanced diet. Incorporate nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to nourish your hair from the inside out.